Ashley here with Make It with Ashley, and I just wanted to show you the Cake Day workshop. Okay, so this is layout 1. You get to do a neat rolling technique using gel pens, stickers, coloring using the TriBlend markers. But how fun is this? Coloring on stickers, stamping using first and second generation ink. So that's layout. Layout 2, you're going to learn some sponging techniques, creating circular, kind of like a wreath pattern, filling these all in, a variety of stickers, die cuts, markers, and dots. But how fun is this? Wow, okay, looks like it there yellow. That is just marker. Okay, and you can see fun companion page to go with it. So it's layout 2. Our layout number 3 has you create these fun banner pieces. So this is a combination of blending with the TriBlend markers, using gel pens on top, and even some stamping techniques. Okay, you can see accenting our party with markers. And then over here, adding our journaling lines with markers, some more banners, and look at how many photos you get onto this 2-page layout. Okay. Next up is the cards. All right, we have 2 cards in this one, and so I've added some stamping to the envelopes. Look how cute is that? We have I lost count. Look at all of those candles. You can see some yellow borders, some hand-drawn asterisks. There's some more subtle detail on with yellow. And then the last card, we do some stamping on stickers. You can see our border using our markers. We colored in our presents, and then we did a hand-stitched border, and again, some more coloring on stickers. So this workshop has so much fun techniques. If you like the layouts and want the cutting guide for free, just place an order on my website for any of the materials and I will send you the file. And as always, craft on.